Hello everyone, welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I'm giving you a construction update from a very busy Trader Joe's, Myrtle Beach. Let's check it out. Alright, we're getting a lot done here, and it won't be long till we'll be actually parking in that parking lot. But that is our Trader Joe's, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Highway 544 and 17 bypass. And I'll pan around and just show you where we are. There's the Ulta, there's Marshall's and Target, and there is 17 bypass over there. So everybody get excited for Trader Joe's Myrtle Beach. It's a reality and it's coming very soon.